So let us understand first question from exercise 12.1. A traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle. Find the area of this signal using Heron's formula. Its perimeter is 180 centimeter. What will be the area of the signal board? Suppose this is signal board. बच्चों, suppose this triangle is showing signal board indicating school ahead. So it is an equilateral triangle. So its all sides will be same. Its perimeter is 180 centimeter. बच्चों. So that means perimeter is equal to a plus a plus a. It is 3a, 180 है. So this implies a is equal to 180 upon 3. a is equal to 60 है. ठीक है, 60 centimeter. Now semi perimeter is equal to p upon 2 है. ये जो p है, this is 180 upon 2. This is equal to 90 आएगा. Yes is equal. उसके बाद में area of an equilateral area of, right here, area of an equilateral triangle using Heron's formula. S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So this is equal to 90, 90 minus 60, 90 minus 60. A is equal to B is equal to 60 आएगा. 90 minus 60. So this is equal to बच्चों 90 can be written as 30 into 30. This is 30. This is also 30 बच्चों. ये भी 30 आएगा. This 90 can be written as 30 into 3 into, this is 30 into 30 into 30. तो देखिए बच्चों, इसका स्क्वायर रूट निकलेगा 30 निकलेगा इंटू, और इसका जो स्क्वायर रूट है ये 30 निकलेगा, और ये अंडर स्क्वायर रूट 3 यहां रहे. तो दिस इज इक्वल टू 900 अंडर स्क्वायर रूट 3 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. So therefore area of a traffic signal board will be 900 under square root 3 centimeter square. So let us understand this second question, बच्चों. The triangular side walls of a flyover have been used for advertisement. The sides of the walls are 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meter given in figure. The advertisements yield an earning of rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. A company hired one of its walls for 3 months. ठीक है. So how much rent did it pay? तो देखिए बच्चे, पहले हम लोग क्या करेंगे, यहां पर एक फ्लाईओवर है और यहां पर एक ट्रायंगुलर वॉल है जिसमें एडवर्टाइजमेंट का रेट जो है 5,000 पर मीटर स्क्वायर. तो ये जो ट्रायंगुलर वॉल है वो 3 महीने के लिए हायर की गई है. तो एक साल उसको 3 महीने में कितने पैसे मिलेंगे, ये ऐसा क्वेश्चन है. पहले हम लोग एरिया निकालेंगे. तो यहां पर लेट अस कंसीडर हियर A इज इक्वल टू 122 मीटर, B इज इक्वल टू 22 मीटर एंड C इज इक्वल टू 120 मीटर है. So let us consider here S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2 आएगा. So 122 plus 22 plus 120 और this is equal to 2. तो देखिए बच्चों ये 144 plus 120 164. इसका एडिशन आ जाएगा बच्चों 264 है अपॉन 2 132 सेंटीमीटर आएगा. Now let us calculate here बच्चों area is equal to under square root s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. ठीक है. So this is equal to s means 132. 132 minus 122 into 132 minus 22 into 132 minus 120 आएगा. So this is equal to 132 into 132 minus 122 that is equal to 10 आएगा into 132 minus 22 112 आएगा. Sorry 2 minus 2 0 110 आएगा. This is 110. Again 132 minus 120. This is 12 आएगा. So this is equal to, this can be written as बच्चों 11 into 12 लिख सकते हैं इसको. 12 वन सा 132 can be written as into 10 into 11 into 10 into 12 लिख रहे हैं बच्चों. ये क्या आ जाएगा, ये 11 और 11 ये बाहर आएगा, इसका स्क्वायर रूट, ये 12 और ये 10. दैट मीन्स 1320. दिस इज मीटर स्क्वायर आ जाएगा. तो दिस इज द एरिया 1320 मीटर स्क्वायर. दिस इज एरिया बच्चों. नाउ देखिए बच्चों रेट ऑफ रेंट ₹5,000 मीटर स्क्वायर पर ईयर है. ठीक है, एक साल के लिए. तो देयरफॉर रेंट फॉर 3 months. देखिए बच्चों 3 months बोले तो we have to divide by 1/4 of the year है बच्चों. This is 1/4 of the year. So we can say that 1320 into 5,000 into 1/4 है बच्चों. 3 months means 1/4 of the year. So I can write it 4 ones are 4 3s are 12, 4 3s are 12, 0. So if you multiply this बच्चों, it comes to 16,50,000. So let us consider question number 3 बच्चों. There is a slide in a park. One of its there is a slide in a park. One of its side walls has been painted in some color with a message, keep the park green and clean. If the sides of the walls are 15 meter, 11 meter and 6 meter, find the area painted in color. तो इसका एरिया निकालना है बच्चों. यहाँ पर ये ट्रायंगल है, ट्रायंगल के तीनों साइड्स दिए हैं. तो लेट अस कैलकुलेट हियर सेमी पेरीमीटर. S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. So let us consider A means 11 plus 6 plus 15 upon 2. So 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 11 So this is 21 plus 11 means 32.2. It is 16 मीटर आएगा बच्चों. So area by using Heron's formula under square root s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. What is s बच्चों? 16 into 16 minus a means 11. 16 minus 6, 16 minus 15 आएगा बच्चों. So this is equal to 16 into 5 into 10. 16 minus 6 means 10. 10 can be written as 5 into 2 लिख सकते हैं बच्चों. 16 minus 15 means 1. ये 16 का स्क्वायर रूट निकलेगा बच्चों 4 और ये 5 into 5 का 5 स्क्वायर रूट निकलेगा. So this is equal to 20 square root 5 meter square. So therefore we can say that the area of the required area of the wall 20 root 2 meter square. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ ए ट्राइंगल two sides of which are 18 and 10 centimeter of the perimeter 42 centimeter. देखिए बच्चों यहाँ पे suppose this is A, B. A is equal to 18 centimeter. B is equal to 10 centimeter. C की वैल्यू नहीं दी है. A plus B plus C दिया है perimeter. It is 42 centimeter. So I can write here 18 plus 10 plus C is equal to 42. 28 plus C is equal to 42. C is equal to 42 minus 28. C is equal to 14 आ जाएगा. Now let us calculate here. We have to calculate area of this triangle. So S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. So perimeter is already given. It is 42. 42 upon 2. It is 21 centimeter. So we'll write here formula, Heron's formula. Area of a triangle is equal to under square root S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C है. ठीक है. So this is equal to under square root. What is S here? 21. 21 into 21 minus A means 18. 21 minus 10 into 21 minus 14. So this is equal to under square root 21 into 21 minus 18 means 3 into 21 minus 10 means 11 into 21 minus 14 means 7 आएगा. So I can write this as this can be written as 7 into 3 into 3 into 11 into 7. तो 7 into 7 का स्क्वायर रूट 7 आएगा. 3 into 3 का स्क्वायर रूट 3 आएगा अपॉन अंडर स्क्वायर रूट 11. So 21 अंडर स्क्वायर रूट 11 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर आएगा बच्चों. एरिया ऑफ required triangle. Sides of a triangle are in the ratio 12 is to 17 is to 25 and its perimeter is 540 centimeter. Find its area. So let us consider बच्चों A is equal to 12x, B is equal to 17x, C is equal to 25x. So 12x plus 17x plus 25x is equal to 540 आएगा। तो देखिए बच्चों इसका एडिशन हम लोग देखते हैं। तो 12x plus 17x plus 25x means what? 54x is equal to 540. So x is equal to 540 upon 54. So x is equal to 10 आएगा। So A is equal to 12 into 10, 120. B is equal to 17 into 10, 170. C is equal to 25 into 10, it is 250. ठीक है। So S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. S is equal to 120 plus 170 plus 250 upon 2. तो देखिए बच्चों 120 plus 170 plus 250 upon 2 means it is 540 upon. Already we can हमें तो ये दिया ही है सब। So this is equal to 270. So area is equal to under square root S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So this is equal to S means 270, 270 minus A means 120, 270 minus 170, 270 minus 250 आएगा। So this is equal to जो देखिए 270 minus ये क्या आएगा बच्चों देखिए 270 minus so it will be 150 into ये आएगा बच्चों 100 into 20 आएगा बच्चों। ठीक है। So let us write its factors बच्चों। We can write 30 into 9 I can write bachcho into 30 into 5 I can write into 100 का स्क्वायर रूट पता है into 4 into 5 I will write 20 means 4 into 5 100. Now see here बच्चों इसका स्क्वायर रूट निकलेगा 30 into 3 इसका स्क्वायर रूट निकलेगा बच्चों 5 इसका स्क्वायर रूट निकलेगा 10 इसका स्क्वायर रूट निकलेगा 2। तो देखिए बच्चों यहां पे ये 3 3 9 90 into 100 आएगा बच्चों। It is 9000 centimeter square. Isosceles triangle has perimeter 30 centimeter. Each of the side is each of the equal sides बनेंगे 12 and 12 और ये थर्ड साइड। तो A plus B plus C is equal to perimeter is 30 है बच्चों। तो 12 plus 12 plus C is equal to 30 आएगा। 24 plus C is equal to 30. C is equal to 30 minus 24. C is equal to 6 centimeter. ठीक है। Now we'll calculate S. S is equal to perimeter upon 2 or A plus B plus C upon 2. It is 30 upon 2, 15 आएगा। So area of a triangle is equal to under square root S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So this is equal to, yes means what? 15 है बच्चों. 15 into 15 minus 12. 15 minus 12. 15 minus c means 6 है बच्चों. ठीक है. It is under square root 15 into, ये 3 आएगा बच्चों. This is 3 into 9 आएगा. इसका स्क्वायर रूट निकलेगा बच्चों 3, इसका स्क्वायर रूट निकलेगा 3 और ये 15. So it is equal to 9 under square root 15 centimeter square.